Hey everyone, if you want to apply for jobs on LinkedIn the right way and increase your chances of getting hired, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn in 2026. First, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete. Add a professional photo, a strong headline, your experience, and relevant skills. Next, go to the jobs section on LinkedIn. This is where all job listings are available. Now search for jobs using keywords and location. Try using specific job titles to get better results. Click on a job and read the details carefully. Check the requirements, responsibilities, and skills needed before applying. If the job has easy apply, use it. Otherwise, apply through the company website link provided. Upload your resume and fill in all required details. Make sure everything is correct and professional. After applying, track your applications, and follow up if needed. This can increase your chances of getting a response. So, yeah, that's how you apply for jobs on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can apply faster and smarter. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.